Hello, I'm CJ Parker with Case IH, here to discuss population adjustments with the Pro 700 display. To adjust the population on the Pro 700 monitor with the Case IH planner, I would first recommend to go to Toolbox and then the Product tab. And you can see here for the product name, hit select. We've already have some hybrids and products that we have put in here, but that product is assigned a population. So for instance, corn 123 has a default application rate of 32,000 seeds per acre with a min application rate of 29,000 and a max of 36, which I can show you later on how we will change that population. No matter how many times you may hit the button, the lowest that population is going to go is 29 and the highest it's going to go is 36. This is also tied in to your work condition layer. So if I hit the back button and I go to work condition in the layer tab and I go to change my layer to a different product, if you watch the seed control over here in the left hand area, when I change that hybrid, it's also going to change to that default application rate that is specific for that particular hybrid. So while you're planting on your run screens, then you have your seed control open, you can tap on that box, go ahead and hit the button, and it's going to increase. Right now we have it set for increasing at 1,000 seeds per acre, then hit enter, and that is your population that you have changed on the go. And you can see here 36,000 is our maximum application rate. So no matter how many times I hit that button, it's not going to go above 36,000. Just make sure after you've made the change that you hit enter to close the box to go in there. So let's say you want to change that population by 500 seeds per acre instead of 1,000. That's going to be done once again in your toolbox underneath the product tab where it says Delta App Rate. So right now, every time I hit that button, it's changing by 1,000 seeds per acre. I hit that button, I can go to 0.5, hit enter, and now it's going to make that change at 500 seeds per acre. For more information on how to adjust your seed population and run the seed control on the Pro 700, refer to your operator's manual or contact your Case IH dealer.